previous tutorial, we learned how to put a button above any desired building. Now, how we can create a page for it? To create a new page in Unity, first thing you need is a new canvas for all of your pages. So right-click and create a canvas from UI section. Check this option and name it Canvas Page. All of pages are going to be child of this canvas. Because we want the page we have display on another UI elements, its sort order should be more than other canvases. As we saw in best canvas settings tutorial, because the game is 3D and we want our page to display wherever the camera is, best settings for render mode is screen space overlay. Now to create a new page, create an image in Canvas Page Child. By holding Alt and clicking this option, make the image same as whole screen. This gonna be your page background. Now give background image to it, decrease its opacity a bit till we can see what is behind it. Name it background. One of the important things for any page is its closing button. So create a new image in background subset. And again, by holding Alt and choosing this option, the image placed at top left. This way, if image size changes, button position will be always fixed. Change its image and dimensions, set its position, and create another image in its subset for its icon. Next important point for each page is the page title. Create an empty image and put it above page. Name it title. Different parts of title should be subset of this object. Remove its image. And use to image and a text to display the title. It's completely a matter of taste. You can implement as you want. To edit text in UI, best thing to do is going to scene. And make the scene 2D by clicking this option. In this way, you can manage its size much easier. This is the title. Now let's go for this page elements. Each page has a special usage. It could be armory, it could be barracks, or could be building manager, and etc. I prepared a section in UI which is completely a matter of taste. You can implement this part as you want it. Place this part at center. In its subset, it has a lot of various parts, like image, title, text, and everything else. It's possible your page has a couple of elements instead of one element, which is better if all of them being separated objects. And at last, subset of an empty object. In this page, we need another button. For example, for buying this soldier. Right-click and create an image and put it at page button and then give its image to it. Look, I can without messing the image fitting change its height and width. By changing pixel per unit, I can manage my image frame. If you wanna edit your Unity image like this, its tutorial is in the channel. This is the final page look. Now, how to enable and disable this page by clicking this button? Let the page be disabled by default. Select its button. Give the page to it. And from Game Object section, select Set Active and check it. Now if you play the game and click the button, the page enables. To close and disable it, select Close button and give it the button. Click this plus, again give whole page to it, and this time from Game Object, Set Active, let this option be unchecked. And this is the final result. By clicking this button, the page enables. We can implement anything we want in this page. And by clicking this button, the page closes. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.